Hi there. Today we're going to do what's called Salmon Haida, and we're going to bake it on a cedar plank. First, you can do it just to score it through, about 3/4 through on a bit of a bias. Just about 1/2 to 3/4 down. Now we're going to make the Salmon Haida mixture. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, a not quite full 1/4 teaspoon of allspice ground, and a 3/4 teaspoon of white pepper, ground white pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. We mix this generously up, making sure we're getting that very well mixed, even with the liquid smoke. And we're going to pack this on the salmon. Just pack that on there. You can even let it sink down into the cut portion. Then we're going to toss it back in the fridge for an hour and a half and let that marinate in. You can even go a little longer, maybe 2 hours. Alright, so now we've had this marinating for an hour, hour and a half. So as you can see, it's all kind of weeped off, a fair bit of it. We're going to transfer it over now to our cedar board, which has been soaked in water for at least a couple of hours. You can get these at a regular big box store. And I try to buy mine, so it fits inside the oven, but also more for a whole side of salmon. You get a little more longevity out of it. If you go into smaller pieces cut, they'll eventually break down a little faster and split and break up. So at this point, we're going to put this into the oven at 350 for probably about 20 minutes. Here we are, done beautifully. Cooked to about 125, 130 internal temperature on it, and that'll bring you to about a medium well done inside, which keeps it so lusciously moist. And yeah, and it has a beautiful cedar smell that's permeated into the salmon itself. All right. Beautifully balanced with flavor. Nice and moist. It's got a really nice smokiness to it. The allspice gives it a round out of flavors. Yeah, it's a nice dish. Hope you enjoy it.